What's up, YouTube? It's your boy 5.0 C's back again with another banger video, and this one is for show. Gonna be the banger. Pretty sure y'all already looked at the title and thumbnail. You already know what's going on today. These headers finally getting installed. They're long awaited. What, 2 months now? So it's about almost 10. We're gonna go ahead and head up to the shop, get these installed for y'all today, and get some before and afters. This thing definitely about to wake up, so yeah, I can't wait for that, man. Y'all just stay tuned, Sorry I made y'all wait so long, but just had to deal with some other stuff, and now that car season's pretty much here. What better time to do it, you feel me? So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get those installed. So I'm just gonna load these into the cart. But as y'all know, the Kooks 1 7/8 along 2 headers. Also got these little like some O2 extensions. So basically these just go into the piping, and then the O2 sensor goes into here, so it's not sitting in the stream of the header, so I don't hopefully get a check engine light, especially being catless. So basically just trying to trick the car with these little extension pieces. So, and yeah, you already know what's in this box. If y'all haven't, go watch that video. But pretty much everything else is packaged now, but go watch that video. Y'all know exactly what's in here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get y'all a cold start when I put this box in the trunk. All right, so this will be the last cold start with the stock headers going into the H pipe, going into the factory active valve exhaust. So last one. Pulling up to the shop now. You don't mind if I record for YouTube? Yeah, oh yeah. Just chilling at the shop. They had one bolt that was messing up a little bit. So I'm just currently waiting on them to finish up. So it shouldn't be too much longer. Then we gonna hit the road and get y'all some sound clips. So here you can see the catless headers going into my H pipe, and then going all the way back to the Ford factory active valve exhaust. Hey, yo. Yo, this shit loud as fuck.
Park it right here.
Oh shit, do a burnout. All right, I'm back home now. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about the new setup, the headers, H-pipe, and the Ford factory mufflers. Let me know what y'all think. Shout out to Kooks. It's not a sponsored video. Y'all need to sponsor me. But back home, this car, it feels like a brand new car, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Like, I just get so many compliments now and then, just loud as shit, and I love it. So the next step is the go ahead and get a tune, 93 tune, and also E85 tune, and that will most likely be the next video. So stay tuned for that. We definitely gonna get busy with the tune. It's only right with all these mods that I got on there. You gotta make sure you get all the power that you deserve. So we gonna get to that. I'm gonna film that for y'all, and y'all just hang tight, man. We're gonna make this a beast for real. We're gonna do NA for now. Maybe next summer, go ahead and actually, start to boost it. But for now, we're gonna see how much we can beat naturally aspirated NA. So stay tuned. That's gonna come soon. And, yeah, man. On that note, y'all have a good day and be safe out there. I'm signing out.